Hey there, adventure seekers and family haulers. Today, we're putting the Toyota Titans head-to-head, rugged, off-road ready 2025 Toyota 4Runner and the spacious, family-friendly 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising in comfort, these SUVs offer two very different ways to tackle the road. Which one's the better pick for you? Let's find out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell. The 2025 4Runner comes with a 2.4-liter turbo four-cylinder making to 178 horsepower. Or if you want more whoa, there's a hybrid version pumping out 323 horsepower. You get rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive options, and fuel economy sits at a not-too-shabby 21 to 23 mpg combined. It can tow up to 6,000 pounds, perfect for hauling boats, campers, or a really big BBQ smoker. MSRP ranges from $42,770 to $62,860, which is a small price to pay for feeling like an off-road champion. The Grand Highlander is like the 4Runner's bigger, comfier cousin. It offers three engine choices: a 2.4-liter turbo with 265 horsepower, a turbo hybrid cranking out 362 horsepower, and a 2.5-liter hybrid with 245 horsepower for max efficiency. Front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive keeps you rolling smoothly, and combined MPG ranges from a respectable 22 to an impressive 36. It tows a bit less than the 4Runner, making it at 5,000 pounds. But hey, it's still enough to pull a trailer full of donuts. Prices start at $40,860 and go up to $54,045, giving you luxury without totally emptying your wallet. Oh yeah, 4Runner brings the tough guy vibes. The TRD trim delivers sporty looks, skid plates, and TRD bilstein shocks for when you want to pretend you're in a bar race. You can even get a massive 14-inch touchscreen, leaving the Grand Highlander 12.3-inch screen feeling small and sad. Plus, the body-on-frame design is built like a tank, if tanks were awesome off-road SUVs. So, the hybrid engine doesn't sip fuel as efficiently as the Grand Highlander's setup. The standard 8-inch touchscreen feels kinda puny compared to the Grand Highlander's 12.3-inch default. Oh, it's got 12 cup holders, but the Grand Highlander has 13. What am I supposed to do with one of my extra drink, Toyota? The Grand Highlander seats up to 8 people, which means more room for the whole family, and maybe even the in-laws, if you're feeling generous. It's got an available 10-inch head-up display, so you can feel like a fighter pilot while checking your speed. Plus, the available heated and ventilated second-row seats keep everyone comfy, even after a long road trip to the Springfield Tire Fire. No power rear tailgate window like the 4Runner. Boo! What if I want to stick Bart's head out the back? Also, no trailer backup guide system or tow or haul mode, so towing might take a little more skill and a little less beer. It tops out with an 11-speaker JBL sound system, which sounds great, but the 4Runner flexes with 14 JBL speakers. More speakers equals more awesome. The 2025 4Runner may be the smaller, tougher one here, but it's still packing room for 7 people. And it's way cooler with TRD trim's extra ground clearance and an available giant 14-inch screen. Sure, it's more expensive, but who cares when you look this good climbing a mountain? Bigger, comfier, and more fuel efficient. Yep, the 2025 Grand Highlander is the ultimate road trip machine. It's got more seats, more cup holders, and fancy features like ventilated second-row seats. But with less towing power and no trailer backup guide, it's clear this one's built more for comfort than for hailing things. So which one's calling your name? The rugged, off-road ready 4Runner or the spacious, comfy Grand Highlander? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.